I just discovered an AI tool that literally reads my mind, and it's completely free. Picture this. It's 11 p.m. You're staring at your screen, surrounded by 47 open browser tabs, 3 PDFs you haven't read, a YouTube video playing at 2 times speed, and your boss wants a comprehensive report by tomorrow morning. Sound familiar? Here's the brutal truth. We're drowning in information, but starving for understanding. I spent 6 months testing every AI tool out there, but then I found something different. Meet NotebookLM, the AI tool that Google doesn't want you to know about. I'm serious. While everyone's obsessing over ChatGPT, Google quietly released what might be the most powerful AI tool on the planet, and 90% of it is completely free. Here's what makes it different. I added just one Google Doc, a massive document where I'd been collecting everything about implementing AI in daily life. Productivity hacks, automation workflows, tool comparisons, success stories, and my own experiments with AI integration. Then I clicked Generate Audio Overview. 3 minutes later, I had 2 AI hosts discussing the future of human-AI collaboration, like it was the most fascinating topic they'd ever encountered.
Will an AI agent replace my job?
It's the number one question.
And based on all the data, all of the most successful organizations, the answer seems to be a pretty resounding no.
It is. The real power here, it's not in replacement. It's in amplification. It's partnership.
We've AI isn't new. I mean, it's already woven into our lives so much we barely notice it.
That's so true. We need to set that baseline. Remind ourselves we're interacting with AI in the background constantly.
Like personalization.
Personalization
What's
is
fascinating is how they're not just using AI as a tool. Exactly. They're building AI into their thinking process itself. They synthesized patterns I've been documenting for months. They connected dots between different AI applications I'd never considered. They even highlighted which strategies had the most potential based on current AI trends. It was like having 2 Silicon Valley futurists analyze my notes and hand me a roadmap. Now, before I show you the 5 game-changing features, you need to understand the 3 criteria that make NotebookLM absolutely dominate other AI tools. Rule number 1, you have 0 tolerance for hallucination. If accuracy matters, medical reports, legal documents, financial data, NotebookLM is your only option. Every answer is source-grounded and cited. Rule number 2, your information is scattered everywhere, different formats, different locations, PDFs, YouTube videos, websites, voice memos. NotebookLM eats them all for breakfast and connects the dots you'd never see. Rule number 3, you want instant transformation. You need that fragmented mess turned into something coherent. A briefing doc, a study guide, a podcast in seconds, not hours. If you nodded yes to all 3, buckle up. Okay, theory is great, but does this actually work? Let's stop talking hypotheticals and look at a real-world experiment that changed my channel. I uploaded my entire YouTube channel analytics, every video's performance data, all my successful video scripts, audience retention graphs, top-performing thumbnails, competitor analysis, and 3 comprehensive YouTube growth courses I'd purchased. Then I asked, based on my channel's history, what video topic should I create next? What title, thumbnail style, and structure would perform best? The output wasn't just generic advice. It cross-referenced my history and found a specific gap. It explicitly told me to pivot to long-form and 8-in tutorials. It broke down the logic, showing me exactly which title formats work, the specific thumbnail style to use, and a video structure designed to fix my retention drops. It wasn't guessing. It was a data-backed blueprint. Okay, giving me a text strategy is impressive, but we all know AI struggles with visuals. It usually just spits out generic, weird stock art. So I decided to stress test the new infographic feature. I wanted to see if it could actually visualize this N8N roadmap. I went to the studio panel and clicked Infographic. It didn't give me weird art. It gave me a literal production roadmap. It mapped out the series chronologically, connected the topics logically. The result was actually usable. Look at this. It didn't just give me generic advice. It gave me a production guide. It set a target of 10,000 views compared to my usual 300. It gave me the exact thumbnail formula, face plus object plus result. And it even broke down the script timing, telling me exactly when to hit the "so that" setup at the 45-second mark. Literally, this could be a lead magnet. You could put this on social media. This is a super easy way to create a really high-quality infographic that has really helpful information. Okay, let's try something harder. High school math, specifically numerical sequences. I uploaded a dense PDF lesson, but I didn't stop there. I also added a link to a YouTube tutorial on the same topic. I wanted to see if it could merge the formal definitions from the text with the explanations from the video. I asked it to map out the connections. Here is the honest result. Visually, it's not perfect yet. You can see here, it struggles to render the complex latex math symbols, so the formulas look a bit raw. However, look at the logic. It perfectly categorized the entire chapter, separating definitions from sequence properties, and even breaking down the recurrence proof method step by step. It's not a formula sheet, but as a study guide to organize your brain. It is incredible. Okay, real talk. The mind map is cool for me. I have absolutely 0 slides ready for this lesson, so I click the slide deck. In about 5 seconds, it spit out this structured list. Honestly, I was expecting a mess. Usually AI breaks when you give it complex math like recurrence relations or sigma notation. But look at this. The mathematical expressions are actually perfect. It rendered the UN+1 formulas and the sum definitions correctly. I don't have to go back and fix the syntax. That alone saves me 20 minutes of typing latex. But here's the part that actually shocked me. Look at this slide on geometric progressions one. It added a geometric figure to explain the concept visually. This image was not in my source PDF. The AI realized that text wasn't enough to explain the concept, so it found or generated a visual aid to help the students understand the growth pattern. It didn't just summarize my lesson, it upgraded it. It gave me a better slide deck than I would have made myself in a rush. It respected the math, it structured the logic, and it even added visual context I didn't ask for. I'm keeping this. Okay, so now I have the mind map for the structure and the slides to actually teach the lesson. But before I present this, I need to verify the knowledge. I need to test myself. So I went back to the studio and just clicked Quiz. It instantly generated 10 questions. Standard multiple choice format, 4 options each. But here is the real value. It's not just a test, it's a study tool. When you answer, you get instant feedback. And if you don't understand why you got it wrong, you just hit the answer key button right below. It breaks down the logic immediately, explaining the solution step by step. It's like having a tutor sitting right next to you during the exam. Final thoughts. First, a reality check. NotebookLM is a researcher, not an artist. It rarely hallucinates, but it's not creative. For final drafting, I still move my data to Claude or Gemini. But looking at raw power, it's not even close. NotebookLM can absorb roughly 25 million words per notebook. Compare that to Gemini's 500,000 or ChatGPT's 64,000. It's like bringing a supercomputer to a calculator fight. And even though you're capped at 20 sources, here is the hack. Just combine multiple PDFs into one file before uploading. You can bypass the limit easily. Now the big question, should I pay for NotebookLM Plus? Honest answer? No. Unless you are a corporate team needing collaboration features, the free version is already absurdly powerful. For 90% of you watching this, keep your money. Look, most people are still using AI like it's a fancy Google search. I want you to be different. So here's my 5-minute challenge. Go to NotebookLM right now. Create a notebook about a passion project. Add 3 sources, PDFs, websites, whatever, and generate an audio overview. That's it. 5 minutes, 0 cost. One last thing. I don't make these videos just to talk to myself. I want to know what you are building. So drop a comment below. Tell me the one topic you created your first notebook about. Is it for your business, your studies, a hobby? I read every single comment and I'll be replying to the best ideas. And if you want to stop watching AI happen and start making it work for you, hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started. The question isn't whether AI will change your life. The question is, will you be the one who masters it first? Now go build something incredible